In the shadowy labs of Nazi Germany, doctors crossed lines no human should ever cross, all in the name of science. Victims were frozen alive, children were dissected without anesthesia, and the worst part? The men behind these horrors never faced justice. Today, we expose the 5 most sadistic Nazi experiments. Declassified documents reveal what really happened and why the world turned a blind eye. Dachau, 1942. A Polish resistance fighter is dragged into a room where the air itself bites like knives. Nazi doctors submerge him in freezing water again and again until his skin turns blue. His crime? Being expendable. Their goal? To save German pilots crashing in Arctic waters. Over 300 men died screaming in these experiments. But the lead scientist? He was hired by the U.S. Air Force after the war because his data was too valuable to ignore. Auschwitz, 1944. 2 Roma sisters, ages 6 and 8, are strapped to a table. Dr. Josef Mengele injects one with a mystery drug, then watches as her eyes hemorrhage. Why? To see if the other twin would react the same way. Mengele performed over 1,400 experiments on twins, sewing siblings together, removing organs without anesthesia. Yet when the Allies closed in, he vanished into thin air. Ravensbrück concentration camp, 1943. A young French spy is told she'll be released if she endures just one test. Then, a machine slowly pulverizes her femur. No painkillers, no mercy, just the sound of her own bones snapping. The Nazis wanted to simulate battlefield fractures, but the lead doctor? She served only 4 years in prison and lived comfortably in Munich until her death. Sachsenhausen, 1944. Jewish prisoners are told they're being disinfected. But when the showers start, it's not water that rains down. It's mustard gas. Scientists take notes as their skin blisters off in sheets. This wasn't about the Holocaust. This was a weapons test. And guess who later hired these researchers? The very countries that liberated the camps. Buchenwald, 1945. A Russian POW is strapped down, fully conscious, as a Nazi surgeon removes his liver. Not to save a life, not for medicine, just to see how long a man can survive without it. The records show at least 86 victims endured this fate. But the doctor? He gave lectures at Harvard Medical School in the 1950s. These monsters walked free. Their research funded modern medicine. And the darkest experiment of all? It's still classified, because the world isn't ready to know.